Here, in the wild jungles of Borneo, amongst almost inaccessible forestation, one takes one's life in one's hands, fending off any number of wild beasts and poisonous foliage which attempts to strangulate one's ankles and pull one down into the depths of the rotting fodder. One needs to be very dexterous and retain a high level of awareness so that we don't put a foot foul. Here, searching for a very, very rare fungi species called that's to say, not really know. I don't really know what I'm looking for. I'm just looking for something. I'm kind of looking in all the places I used to look, and I find such things. But holy Moses! Okay, going in. Going in. God damn it! An infestation of mosquitoes. Well, it's good to be back. A little bit. It's a little bit like the jungles of Borneo. Look, that's a little bit like the jungles of Borneo. Yeah, it is. And so I came out expecting a chilly day, when in actual fact it's turned out to be pretty warm. Look at this stuff. Now then, where is the ever elusive fungi this year? I just haven't found any. And to be fair, I haven't been out really. This is the first time I've been in the wood in probably a couple of months. I've been concentrating on other things, but as the winter is pressing on, I thought, well, I can't let a beautiful day like this slip by when the whole countryside is given to abundant foliage. At the first frost, it will all be gone. So I thought, well, it's high time that I came out and had a look around to see what Gaia could offer me. And other than oxygen, tranquility, almost peace, because you can hear the traffic in the distance. But what I noticed today, people, is that for the first time in a long time, the birds have started to sing. And when you monitor the birds throughout the year, you'll notice that, of course, in the wintertime, they're pretty quiet, nothing to sing about. In the springtime, everything is, in a fury. All the mating stuff going on, so you've got all that. Then, after the summer, all the mating and all the child rearing's done, it goes deathly quiet. It's kind of like, haven't you guys got anything to say anymore? They don't have. But then when the winters are encroaching, then they start to sing different songs, say different stuff. And I think they are speaking about where the food is and stuff like that. So there's quite a long walk today around varied varieties of open and closed expanse, and so I'm hoping to find something, and if I do, I'll let you guys know. But in the interim, he's going to be enjoying himself.